Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes very easy. First, let's get our dry ingredients ready. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together really well in a large bowl. This ensures everything is evenly distributed, which is key for fluffy, consistent pancakes. It's a simple start to a delicious breakfast. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Now, gently pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is combined. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are actually good and will help keep your pancakes tender and light. This step is quick and crucial for the perfect batter. Now for the fun part, cooking. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Then, flip them carefully and cook until golden brown. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, fluffy pancakes. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your delicious, fluffy pancakes. Pile them high and add your favorite toppings, whether it's classic maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. This easy method ensures you'll have perfect pancakes every single time, making breakfast a breeze. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.